Big.
What is it?
What is it?
What is it? Hold it up for the camera. Turn it around. It's a little critter book. The Fall Festival. What else is in that bag? A pumpkin, a spider. What's that?
Dog.
A dog? Is that Biscuit? Biscuit the naughty dog? What else is in the bag?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. It's a little spider. Little spider.
Oh. No.
No, you don't like that one? What about your card?
What is that?
Open your card. A scary monster? Can you open it up? Did Grandma write you a note? It says, Happy Halloween to a lovable little monster. Love, Grandpa and Grandma Sponder. Where do Grandpa and Grandma Sponder live? Can you show us on the map? Come show us where Grandpa and Grandma Sponder live. That's where we live. Where do Grandpa and Grandma live? No, you know where do Grandpa and Grandma live. Yeah! What do we call that? Is that Minnesota?
Oh.
Okay, wave goodbye.
Oh.